Breakthrough was different because they seem to have the full circle marketing plan put together. And I love that. So they take you from beginning to end, and they provide so much training. They provide so much, coaching. Chris is my coach, and he's always right there to answer any questions and to give me advice and help me through. And not only that, but the quality of the ads at Breakthrough, I felt was so much better than some of the other content that I've seen. My name is Dr. Tonya Boeckenhauer, and I am with MultiCare Medical in Papillion, Nebraska. I grew up in a chiropractic family, and so that really inspired me to start my own practice because I was able to see what my dad was able to do with his practice and how he helped so many people, and the quality of life that he had and provided for us. So I just loved chiropractic and wanted to be a chiropractor myself. I found out about Breakthrough, I believe it was on a Facebook post that I clicked on, and Caleb ended up responding, and he and I had a few Zoom meetings about it, and I said, this is something I want to be a part of. So I signed up, and here we are. I have been using Breakthrough since January. So we went through all the training initially and getting prepared for our workshop. And we just recently had our first workshop a couple weeks ago. So our first workshop with Breakthrough was pretty amazing, considering we were having a winter storm warning, and we were, I was like, of all the nights, so we were having sort of a mini blizzard, and so that hindered our total attendance that night. But however, we still got 9 people to come, and we signed up about 5 or 6. I can't remember the exact number. So we got 5 or 6. And some of the ones that did come were spouses, and some of them were people that were going on, kind of their winter break down in Phoenix. And so they said, when I come back, I'll do this. So I'm still hoping to get a couple more signed up, but I didn't get signed up. But we had a really good close rate on the patients that were in attendance. So we were able to gross $45,000 from one workshop. One of the things that we see as a challenge is always just, getting your clinic's name out and providing new services to patients. One of the areas, obviously, that is sort of new is the neuropathy realm. And so, in our healthcare system, we just don't really have a good program for those neuropathy patients. I mean, just handing them a pill isn't going to fix their neuropathy. And so one of the things I really appreciated about Breakthrough was the ability to connect with the other providers in Breakthrough. And that sort of gave me the resources and the tools I needed to compile that treatment plan together. And, it's something I'm really confident in, that if the patient comes in, we're going to get them better. And so I loved how everyone at Breakthrough has been able to, give advice and is so helpful. And, anytime I've ever had a question, someone is more than willing to answer it. So I really appreciate that. I chose Breakthrough over other options because I could see it was a real system. You get bombarded as a clinic owner all the time with people saying that we can help market your practice. And, I've tried so many different avenues over the years, and you can kind of get an idea of what a company is like to work with, even just on those initial phone calls on, how are they going to do for you and what can they provide for you? And, Breakthrough was different because they seem to have the full circle marketing plan put together. And I love that. So they take you from beginning to end, and they provide so much training. They provide so much, coaching. Chris is my coach, and he's always right there to answer any questions and to give me advice and helped me through. And not only that, but the quality of the ads at Breakthrough I felt was so much better than some of the other content that I've seen. I did have a hesitation just because I have tried so many different marketing companies in the past. So I think it's just natural to have some hesitations whenever you sign up with any company. But seeing the results, like we already have, I think 20 people signed up for our March workshop, and it's still, almost 2 weeks away. So just to see how well it's working, to see how well patients are responding to it, and just to see the overall need in the community for neuropathy help has squashed any hesitation that I had at signing up. We have gross revenue goals that I want to reach, and we also have a desire to multiply our clinics. So we want to have definitely have another clinic by the end of this year. And I think just seeing the growth that Breakthrough has helped us, with just even in the short amount of time, I'm hopeful that we can achieve that. I have a big goal for the March workshop I'm hoping to hit, and just the patient volume, the increased revenue, and I really feel that Breakthrough can help us achieve that. It was very easy to get started. I just put the time in on listening to Dr. John. He provides so much helpful information on his website. He has a video of him doing one of the presentations, so I listened to that a few times. I took his PowerPoint that he provides and just kind of made it my own. So I was grateful for that information and the work that he did to put that all together. And I just put the time in, learned the information, and then I was able to present it. One of the things I love about Breakthrough is that it's very team oriented. I feel like I'm a part of a team, and I really like that. As a chiropractor, I wasn't sure if I was going to be welcomed in by some of the PTs, but I've never felt, anything like that. I felt like very welcomed, and everyone was very helpful. And so there was nothing but Breakthrough love, with all the team. That's what I felt so far. So I really appreciate that. And I just love everything about Breakthrough. I love the way that, they provide all the information and training that you need to present with the workshops, and just even on some of the other education tools that I utilized. I felt like it made me a better speaker. It encouraged me to, reach out to the patients in a confident way, because I knew that I had a solid program, based on all the research that everyone else has done. So I was able to build off of that and create the neuropathy program that we have. And I'm confident that if someone comes in with neuropathy, we're going to help. I would recommend Breakthrough to any type of practice that offers, pain management, whether it's a chiropractic office, physical therapy, a podiatrist even. I think that Breakthrough has a great program, and I'm really grateful to have that implemented into our office.